Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Ashman and welcome back again with what's new, what's hot at WAKO.com.my. In case this is your first time here and you're wondering what is WAKOBEAUTY.com, so WAKO.com is actually a website where you guys can shop a lot of authentic, good Korean skincare products. So before we dive into the video, all of the products that I'm about to show you guys can shop at WAKO.com.my. So I have a lot of stuff inside this box right here and I'm so excited to show you guys what's good, what's hot. So the first product is the Huraharu Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Cream. This is how it looks like for the packaging. It comes in this really nice and clean type of packaging. I really like it. So in case if you don't know what is Huraharu means, it's actually a Korean word. It means day by day. And why this little guy right here names after the word? It is because they want you to use this cream every single day so that you can achieve a flawless, good looking skin. So now I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it is so freaking cute. So it comes in this tub right here that looks legit like a coffee cup, like a coffee mug. And I use this cream every single night right before I go to the bed. And every morning when I wake up, my skin feels so juicy, feels so plump. And it is because it is made from 95% of naturally derived ingredients such as fermented black rice, which good for your antioxidants, so encourage new self-growth in your skin. And it is packed with hyaluronic acid as a moisturizing agent, and I love that ingredient so freaking much. It is one of my go-to favorite ingredient when it comes to skincare. And also it infused with lavender oil, which means whenever you put on your skin, you will feel like calm, you feel like you're in the spa. It smells so freaking good. It's like a flower type of fragrance, not like over much type of fragrance. It's like very calming, very soothing. So I like this one so freaking much. So there's a lot of benefit of this moisturizer. It is moisturizing, nutrient and fill cream. Also works as an ultra deep moisturizer and also heal and rejuvenating your new cell growth in your skin. It feels so lightweight on the skin. Right after you put it on your skin, and you instantly will feel like hydrating and soothing into your skin. It is mild, creamy type of texture. It's also suitable for all skin type, especially for those of you out there who are dealing with dry skin, and this is gonna be like your best friend ever. Side note, this packaging right here, this coffee cup packaging right here, it is made by bamboo shoot. I don't know how they make it, but I'm 100% sure it is good for the environment. Alright, so the next item will be this one is the DR.G Brightening Peeling Gel Derma Peeling Solution for Sensitive Skin. So this is how it looks like. So to be completely honest with you guys, I've used this stuff last week and also today before I filmed this video. And every time after I use this stuff, my skin feels so fresh, feels so renewed, feels so brand new and feels so soft. It peels all the dead skins on my face and gives a brand new skin for me. So the ingredients inside these products are the aloe barbadensis leaf extracts for soothing. They have glycerins inside this, which is my favorite as well. Glycerin. Last one, also one of my favorite ingredient, which is the vitamin C, or they call it as a ascorbic glucoside. I don't know, I'm not a scientist, I'm not a chemist. So this peeling gel, it helps you to gentle exfoliator with vitamin brightening effect. It also contains natural moisture rich cellulose. It arranges the skin moisturize and also gives you a radiant skin. And it also gently helps you to remove dead and also flaky skin. And this peeling gel is suitable for oily to combination skin type and also acne prone skin. So if you're someone who is struggling with those type of problem, you need to try this one. It will change your skin. And I use this stuff once a week. I'm not recommending you guys to use every single day because I think it's not like healthy for your skin. So yeah, maybe twice a week or do like mine once a week. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys what is DR.G is. It is a renowned cosmetic brand in Asia which tackles specific skin problem and was developed by clinically trained, which means those who are professional in skincare. Alright, so the next product they sent me this. It's Abib Gummy Sheet Mask Hard Lift Sticker. I actually haven't used this stuff yet and I gotta be honest, I really don't know how it looks like from inside. So open it up and see. Let me pull this one out. It looks like a plain normal sheet mask. Oh my god, it packs with a lot of essence and serums inside this. So okay, I still have another one for me to use, right? So this is how it looks like. Oh my god, I feel so bad by watching all the essence dripping down. So this is how it looks like. This is the face mask. As you guys can see from my hand, you can tell that it packs with a lot of products. So the main ingredient inside this sheet mask, it is the hard lift, which is for quick soothing care and also good for sensitive skin. And it also contains medica sosai for straightening the skin barrier, soothing and also moisturizing. And the benefits of this little guy right here, it cools to the skin, it prevents excessive sebums on your face, and also this sheet mask is designed for an extreme moisturize and also whitening. It's highly recommended as an urgent skincare system when you feel sensitive or when you feel your skin is about to break out. So the meaning of the word Abib is actually means as the first moon, and it is aimed to make the complete and the most perfect and pure cosmetic from starting point of the beauty cycles process. And also Abib aim to help your skin achieve naturally beauty and flawlessly. So this sheet mask is suitable for someone who has oily skin, sensitive skin, or inflammation, acne prone skin. So if you're looking for a good sheet mask, this is a way to go. Alright, so the next item, it is from the brand called Goodall. So this is the Goodall Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. So inside this box right here, so it comes with the full size serum and also two travel size one. So this is a really great product because it comes with not only with the full size one, it also comes with the travel size one, the mini one, which means you can take the mini size one on travel. That's so convenient. So let's open it up and show you how it looks like from inside. So this is how it looks like from inside. This is the serum. So this serum is made from 70% of green tangerine extract, and it fills with vitamin C inside this bottle, which is gonna help to whiten your skin. So inside the box you get the full size of the serum, and then for the mini size, this one is the green tangerine vitamin C cream, and last but not least, this is the vitamin C dark spot serum. I believe this one is the mini size of this one. Let's find out. Okay, oh yeah, exactly the mini size of this serum. So as you guys can see, the texture is very light. It immediately turns into a water consistency, and it's definitely absorbed into the skin real quick. So this is great for anti-aging, brightening uneven skin tone, dark spot, and also freckles. And this is great for all skin types, especially for those of you out there who is concerned about whitening and also anti-aging. And this set right here is a special edition box. If I'm not mistaken, the cream is also available in this special box edition. Okay, so this is another great product that I have tried it myself and I love it so freaking much. This is the Skinfood Rice Wash Off Mask. So this is basically a leave-on face mask, and it is made with rice extract and also organic black sugar granola. But I don't know about you guys, when I was younger, I did read online about someone making a face mask right off from the rice, the actual rice, cooked rice. And a lot of people say that by doing that, it gives you a lot of benefits to the skin. But then when I would say that it's not like a proper technique or like appropriate products to put on top of your skin, right? So that's why Skinfood came out with this rice mask products right here for you to use, and it's safe on the skin and it gives you a lot of benefits on your skin. So I've tried this a couple of times on my skin within 2 weeks, and what it does to my skin based on my personal experience, it gives you hydration and moisturize my skin really well, it brightens the skin, and it also gently exfoliate my skin, giving the brighten and soften complexion. Of course, right after you take this mask off from your face, you feel this such as comfortable hydrations on your skin immediately right after you take off the mask. And this mask has become one of my favorite face masks ever. So if you want to buy it, go at WAKO now. So last but not least, I have these 3 products right here from WAKO. So the first one is this, oh my god, my lip gloss is all over it. So the first one, they sent me the WAKO OMG hairband, and I am a huge fan of hairband. I have a lot in my collection because I use this every single time. I'm just a huge fan of hairband because I hate when my hair gets into my face. When they sent me this gorgeous red color one, and I love it so much. It is so freaking soft. And then they sent me this WAKO OMG Duo Mask Gold Therapy. So it has like 2 steps right here, which is I'm not gonna open it because I only have one. So I don't want to waste this in front of the camera, just like what I did to the previous mask. So basically this mask has 2 steps, which is the first one is foil eye patch. This is gonna help you to firm, lifting, and also brightening your under eye. And then the step 2 is the Ampule face mask. This is gonna help you to soothing your skin and also repair your skin. And I'm gonna save and using this mask on the important event, the upcoming important event. And last but not least, I have this box right here. It says here double there. It says here OMG Red Deluxe Kit. Open it up and ta-da! So this is how it looks like. Oh my god, the box can go. Before I talk about the products, can we just pay attention on the packaging? It looks so expensive, it looks so elegant. So I'm reading from the back. So inside here they included the OMG Red plus a snail mask, and then the second thing is OMG Red water serum, and then the last but not least is OMG Red MPR Glow. Now I'm gonna open it up and see how it looks like from inside. And for sure I'm gonna keep this packaging because I can use this as my makeup bag on like normal day. So ta-da! Oh my god, it looks so freaking beautiful. Okay, so the first one is this one is the OMG Red MPR Glow Moisturizer plus Primer plus Repair. Oh my god, it can be used as a primer as well. So this product right here you can use as your moisturizer and also primer. I'm a huge fan of primer, so I cannot wait to try this products right here. So the main ingredient inside this MPR Glow, it is flower complex, safflower seed oil, and also ceramide. And then the second one in here, it is the red water serum. What it does to your skin is gonna give you the instant hydration booster, and it is made with 75% of cocoa nucifera and my favorite centella asatica extract. And I forgot to tell you guys about the consistency of this product. So this one is more like a lightweight type of cream, and this one is like water type of consistency. And last but not least, inside this bag right here we have some face masks. These are the OMG Red plus Snail face mask. It looks like this. Oh my god, the packaging is like super stunning. It's speaking like fashion week for me. I love the packaging so freaking much. So this face mask is going to help you with anti-aging and also antioxidants for your skin. And the main ingredient inside this sheet mask right here are the snail, rose, red bean, and also pomegranate extract. And all of these products from WAKO is absolutely suitable for all skin type, but especially for those who have like a dry skin, you need this stuff in your life, okay? It's gonna change your skin to a better one. And yeah, I think that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I really hope that you guys receive a lot of information about all of these newest products at WAKO.com. So in case if you guys are interested in all of these products that I have mentioned in this video, make sure you guys to go to WAKO.com.my and shop it right there. And always remember, WAKO, your beauty friends. Like the video if you enjoy watching me talking about all of these products, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more video like this. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and see you guys next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.